Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect the Haylou GT1 True Wireless Earbuds with an iPhone 11. And of course, this works the same for the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically, we'll go into the main settings of our iPhone first to turn on the Bluetooth. So we'll go to settings, then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth and turn that on. So you'll see the switch here, turn it on, and as you do that, it will start searching for nearby devices, and it'll do that for about maybe a minute and a half or 2 minutes. So say you took these out of the case, they're not going into pairing mode, go ahead and turn them off. You'll see the red light, and then together at the same time on the touch controls surface, you'll hold them down together until they both light up in white, all right? So go ahead and do that. Once you see this, let it go quickly. You'll notice how they both blink a few times. They'll sync into each other and one side remains in a blinking mode, which means it's now the pairing mode, and that's the host earbud. So on your iPhone 11, it should show up as Haylou GT1R. And once you see that, just tap on that one time. It'll just run the pairing process for you. It'll say it's connected. And once that happens, you are good to go, ready to use. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, please do like, share, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, also turn on notifications. I would really appreciate that. And catch you in the next guide. Thanks for watching.